How to block user on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block user on Snapchat. If you want to block user, then you need to follow the steps. But before that, make sure that the application is completely up to date. To begin with, open the Snapchat application and log in. The interface will look something like this. Now here, what you need to do is go to the chat section. After you go to the chat section, then you want to tap on the search bar at the top of the page here. You could then go ahead and find the user whom you want to actually block. Now, for example, let's say this is the contact that I want to block. Then you could just long press or just tap on the profile name, tap on the three dot icon right at the top, and there you have these manage friendship section, right? You could then click on the block button, confirm it, and this way you'll be able to block user on Snapchat. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.